Hello students, in the previous video we have already discussed this concept of statistics, then raw data, ungrouped data, grouped data, class size, class mark, range, continuous and discontinuous class interval. Now in this video we will discuss the second exercise. We have already completed the first exercise. Now in the second exercise it is based on graph. Here we will discuss how to make the histogram and the frequency polygon and the combined histogram and the frequency polygon. So let us begin with the first question. Your first question is construct a frequency polygon for the following distribution. Class intervals are given and frequency is also given. So we will make now frequency polygon on the graph. Just see the children, this and this already given. First of all we will find the class mark. Class mark means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. You can see here 0 plus 4 by 2, it is 4 by 2, it is 2. Then 4 plus 8 divided by 2, 12 by 2, it is 6. So similarly we can calculate the others. Then we will plot the points. How to plot? First of all we will write the class mark, then we will write the frequency. 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 10, 14, 15, 18, 11, 22 and 6. So these points we are supposed to plot on the graph paper. Now we will make the graph. Here we will start from 0, okay, like this, and then from 0 to 24 like this. You will write the values along x-axis 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. And you will see what is the maximum value along, and these values we are going to take along y-axis. So maximum is 15. So here we have taken the gap of 2 along y-axis. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Here we write class interval. Here we will write the frequency. Now we will plot these points. 2, 4 means between 0 and 4 the mid value. 5th is the mid value. Little bit higher is there. Higher light is there. So here at the 5th line between 0 and 4, on the 5th line, and here you will take the height, that is 4. Then 6, 7 between 4 and 8, the 5th line is 6, represents 6 value, and 7 is here. Then similarly you can plot the point 10, 10, then 14, 15, 18, 11, then 22, 6, and here also mid value, that is between 24 and 28, the 5th line. And here also you will start from the 5th line. Then you will make the circle, write the points. With the help of scale you will join all these points with the help of scale. Then you will write scale. What is the gap along y-axis? There is a gap of 4. So then along x-axis 1 centimeter is 4 units. And along y-axis there is a gap of 2. So then you can take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay, so in the graph you will write these all the necessary information. So this is known as frequency polygon. Now we will discuss question number 2, that is the combined histogram and frequency polygon. So let us discuss second question. Construct a combined histogram and frequency polygon for the following frequency distribution. Class intervals are given. It's a continuous class intervals. Frequency is also given. We will calculate the class interval, class mark by using the formula upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Then we will plot the points 15, 3, 25, 5, 35, 6, 45, 4, 55, 2 on the graph paper. How to make the combined histogram and frequency polygon? First of all, these all the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You will plot along x-axis, and then here maximum value is 6. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will make along y-axis. So this is class interval, this is frequency. Then you will make the, here it doesn't start from 0. So you will leave one box and you can make here this type of broken line like this. You will make the broken line, and after making the broken line on the 5th point you will make a circle. Then you can make the histogram. In your lower classes already you know how to make the histogram. Between 10 and 20 it should be a regular, there is no gap. Between 10 to 20 you will make 3, 10 to 20 here height is 3. Then 20 to 30 height is 5. Then 30 to 40 it is 6. Then 40 to 50 again 4. Then 50 to 60 is 2. Then you will mark the circles on the fifth line of each rectangle. On the fifth line you will make the circle. Here also fifth. Then with the help of scale you will join them simply. And this is the frequency polygon with the help of scale, and this is the histogram. So this diagram is known as the combined histogram and frequency polygon. So let us discuss now question number 3. Here you will construct a frequency polygon for the following data, but here the data is discontinuous. You can see here they are not continuous. We can make use of adjustment factor 0.5. We subtract 0.5 from lower limit, we will add 0.5 in the upper limit, and this is the frequency. Then we will find the class mark, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, and then you will plot the points 12, 5, 17, 8. Okay, these points you will plot on the graph paper, these points 12, 5, like this. Okay, I have already discussed this with you. Now these class interval after adjustment factors, you are supposed to write along x-axis 0, 9.5, 14.5, 19.5, 24.5 and still 39.5. Then here you will make the broken line because it doesn't start from 0, it starts from 10. So you will make the broken line, and then between 9.5 and 14.5 on the fifth line you will point the circle, and here the height is 5. So between 4 and 6 the fifth line is represent 5. Similarly we can plot the next point 17. Here fifth line and 8 is exact. Then 22 on the fifth line, here is 12 is exact. Then here also fifth line and this is 9. Then here also fifth line, this is 4, and here also. Okay. Then how to write the scale? The gap between 2 is 5. So along x-axis 1 centimeter is 5 units. And what is the gap we are taking along y-axis? You can see here along y-axis we are taking the gap of 2. So then scale is 1 centimeter 2 units. Okay, so this is the frequency polygon in which the data is discontinuous, and I have already discussed when the data is continuous and how to make the combined histogram and frequency polygon and how to make the frequency polygon. So I hope you got the idea regarding these all the things. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.